Hi, as you know, we welcome awesome founders for an interview as a part of the Founder Series on the Great Unicorn Hunt. It gives me great pleasure to welcome Sumaira Sheikh, founder Sumaira Jewels, who has embarked on an ambitious journey of building the country's biggest jewelry network. Sumaira, welcome to our show.
Thank you so much, Deva, for having me on the show. It's a pleasure being here.
Sumaira, could you tell our viewers what is Sumaira Jewels all about?
Definitely more than happy to introduce myself. Hello, everyone. I am Sumaira Sheikh, creating the country's biggest e-commerce jewelry network. Well, I bring over 15 years of rich experience in lifestyle and fashion, alongside 3 years in the jewelry industry. The creation of Sumaira was a natural step up for me as I aim to build the country's largest e-commerce jewelry network. This platform will empower jewelers across India to showcase their exquisite products nationwide. So when you think luxury, think Sumaira. Also, imagine a world where buying jewelry is as easy as a click, yet as personal as trying it on a boutique. Sumaira is pioneering the future of jewelry shopping with a revolutionary e-commerce platform. We're building the nation's largest network of jewelers, offering unparalleled choice and a seamless shopping experience across every channel. So from exquisite collections to personalized service, Sumaira brings the jewelry store to your fingertips. So join us in redefining how you discover and cherish your favorite pieces. With Sumaira, jewelry shopping will never be the same again. So by providing a nationwide online reach and the opportunity to participate in auctions, we help jewelers expand their brand visibility, sales, and profitability. For consumers, Sumaira offers access to the diverse range of regional jewelry products. So be ready to look out for designs from Hyderabad, Chennai, Jaipur, Lucknow, Mumbai, Bangalore, and the length and breadth of India. Thank you.
Sumaira, could you please tell our viewers about the problem statement, the pain point you are addressing?
Well, definitely. I would love to raise that. It's a very important question because we are looking to fill the gap and the problem that we have done with Sumaira. 70% of the $85.52 billion Indian jewelry market is unorganized, comprising over 1 lakh jewelers across India. The small and medium-sized jewelers face challenges such as limited technology, inadequate marketing, and low brand awareness. Imagine a market on fire with untapped potential, ready to be conquered. So Sumaira steps into the revolutionized jewelry shopping by creating the country's largest e-commerce platform. We are tackling a vast and challenging market, promising boundless opportunities for growth. With Sumaira, we are not just disrupting, we are setting the standard by offering unmatched variety and a seamless omni-channel experience. So join us in unlocking the lucrative and transformative market with Sumaira. And definitely that was the problem and why you have an existence of Sumaira today.
That was awesome, Sumaira. Your passion is so infectious. So what exactly does Sumaira do?
Well, Sumaira is pioneering India's largest end-to-end omni-channel platform for jewelers, providing them with nationwide visibility and the opportunity to showcase their collections online. Through our innovative approach, jewelers can not only boost brand visibility and sales, but also participate in auctions, expand their market reach regionally. So our platform is a game changer, allowing jewelers to efficiently manage and sell their unsold inventory, a first of its kind offering in the online jewelry marketplace. We also have something for the consumers. The platform offers first of its kind technology supported by quality checks, auctions and bidding, alliances with various luxury verticals, and loyalty program for customer stickiness, stock clearing, and regional jewelers under one roof. We are also backed by robust technological investments. Sumaira is set to redefine jewelry by delivering a winning combination and functionality and transformative potential. So that's what we're.
Thanks, Sumaira. This is awesome. However, why do you think whatever you are doing is working?
Basis our interactions with the jewelers, let me tell you, they express the need for similar omni-channel platform to showcase their products regionally. And they want us to help them with the additional channel for distribution across the country.
Sumaira, I couldn't agree more. What are some of the upsides objectively, or even in terms of the wildest dreams?
Well, very interesting question. Technology is a perfect enabler for Sumaira, aiding to create an omni-channel marketplace, bringing jewelers and clients on a common platform. As we build India's largest e-commerce jewelry network, our vision embodies numerous benefits. Expanding market reach, offering diverse product selections, fostering innovation through our experience centers and exclusive collaborations. We are dedicated to achieving excellence in the customer experience, making a cultural impact, and building strong community loyalty. Through these initiatives, our marketplace aims to ascend to a global leadership position in the jewelry industry, becoming a household name synonymous with quality and variety. So, what else would you want?
Sure. What would you see as some of the risks that need to be mitigated?
Well, yes, in the competitive landscape of jewelry retail, in spite of technology failed to meet the mismatched expectations between retailers and customers regarding sales, foot traffic, trust, quality, and fair pricing, these challenges, compounded by shifting consumer preferences and wavering loyalty, remain largely unaddressed by existing platforms. Now you enter Sumera, pioneering jewelry purchasing through technology. Our approach revolutionizes the execution funnel, leveraging our team's inherent strengths in understanding customer needs and empowering jewelers with advanced technology. This enables us to effectively reduce cost, streamline distribution, and operate a marketplace that stands as a significant competitive advantage. Sumera isn't just transforming how jewelry is bought and sold, it's setting new standards for trust, quality, and affordability in the industry. So join us as we redefine the future of jewelry retail.
Sumera, what you are building is a fascinating business where jewelry purchase is such an emotional experience with some customers and some occasions, and it sometimes ends up involving family members in the decision-making process. The moving parts involved are too many and highly detail-oriented, especially since you have jewelers on one side with their own expectations and customers on the other hand with their own demands. You are bridging this with help of technology, processes, and of course your own experience as founders. A marketplace that could rebuild trust, empower smaller jewelers, enhance customer convenience of buying local specialties sitting in their homes, was much needed. But how are you executing all this?
All right. Well, very, very important question, because the key to success for any business is execution. Without having the right execution strategy, it's very, very difficult to reach your goals. So the founders understand the complexities and intricacies specific to jewelry industry, such as trends in consumer preference, seasonal variations in demand, and the cultural significance of jewelry purchases, which has been taken care of in the go-to-market strategy. Being savvy entrepreneur, we also are aware of the potential pitfalls and have strategies in place to address them. We have a clear and well thought out plan to mitigate risk and capitalize on opportunities through a robust business model, innovative marketing strategy, strong vendor relationship, and effective customer acquisition and retention tactics. The strategy to onboard jewelers will be through our own BDMs and through online and offline marketing initiatives like social media, WhatsApp bursts, jewelry magazines, and exhibitions, to name a few. Overall, we as founders have deep understanding of the industry landscape, identifying potential pitfalls and showcasing a strategic approach to capitalize on the vast opportunities within the online jewelry marketplace. Hence, we not only have the vision, but also the capability to execute and succeed in a competitive and dynamic market environment through our well-crafted go-to-market strategy.
This is terrific, Sumera. Was curious to know as to what are you hearing from the market, from different stakeholders, and from the jewelers?
Definitely. I mean, that's a very, very important question you just asked, because the platform is all about the jewelers. So we have jewelers from different cities: Mumbai, Calcutta, Pune, South. We have been interacting with more than 50 plus jewelers so far. And trust me, they are waiting for the platform to be, going up and live. And we already are live, but they are definitely looking for their brands to get more visibility outside their reach. Because technology and marketing, both for these traditional jewelers, is a task. And when they look at a platform like us, they definitely have more confidence than we have on the platform, so that we can take their brand out to different cities, the reach, the visibility, and also the alliances that we plan for the jewelry, the auction that we plan for the jewelry to move out to customers. They are very much excited for such features to be featured on the platform, because for a jeweler it gets very difficult to meet the corporate industry standards, because apart from giving discounts to the consumers, there's nothing more on the platform for an individual jeweler. But as a marketplace, we definitely give a lot of such experiences to our consumers. So the benefit goes, of course, back to the jewelers. So the jewelers are definitely wanting to come on the platform, showcase their designs, have their brand awareness. We would love to give them more visibility, and they are looking forward for a platform like this for themselves. Definitely, to do with reaching out to the Indian consumers on a larger scale. So yes, that's what.
Well, let me ask you this. Why are you the best team to do this?
Definitely. Well, I'm sure every founder thinks that, but we definitely know we are the best team. Our team brings a combined 60 plus years of experience and a proven track record of building scalable, smart, and efficient D2C brands in the luxury e-commerce marketplace segment. So the founders' first-hand experience in overcoming challenges, pain areas for both the vendors and the clients. So to name a few, take for example, lack of brand visibility pan-India, marketing know-how, option to remove stagnant stock for jewelers, and for consumers, the lack of regional product choices, value for money, and more. And this requires to have a technology-driven marketplace that will address these pain areas. And more than that, not only increase the brand value and recall for jewelers that I just mentioned a while back, pan-India on a pan-India level, but also gives the end consumer the choices they need for jewelry from brands across the country and from every transaction, the much needed value adds. That is missing in the online world today. Some of the first mover advantage that we have is like regional brands, bidding auctions, value adds through luxury alliance partners that are not present in the international marketplaces as well, is being implemented in Sumaira. So the founding team, extensive experience and domain expertise in both D2C, technology, and e-commerce uniquely position us with the first mover advantage for Sumaira as a marketplace. So we collectively as founders look forward to making sure that we not only create a platform or a marketplace for the jewelers, but we are looking to give them both quality assurance and experience that they've never got before.
Sumaira, thanks so much for the awesome insight and information. Best wishes for the journey ahead.
Well, you can see my smile. I'm more than happy to be here. And thanks, Tia, for actually bringing this platform up and making sure that founders like me are getting this visibility and we are able to convey our vision through this particular medium. Thank you very much, Tia.